Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Krishneel and I will be teaching you Spanish. In today's video, we will be learning numbers from 0 to 50. But before starting, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and do like it if you learn out of this video. So let's get started. 0 in Spanish is cero, cero. 1 in Spanish is uno, uno. 2 in Spanish is dos. 3 in Spanish is tres. 4 in Spanish is cuatro. 5 in Spanish is cinco, cinco. 6 in Spanish is seis. 7 in Spanish is siete. 8 in Spanish is ocho. 9 in Spanish is nueve. 10 in Spanish is diez. 11 in Spanish is once. 12 in Spanish is doce. 13 in Spanish is trece. 14 in Spanish is catorce. 15 in Spanish is quince. 16 in Spanish is dieciséis. 17 in Spanish is diecisiete. 18 in Spanish is dieciocho. 19 in Spanish is diecinueve. 20 in Spanish is veinte, veinte. You might have noticed that we have removed Z from Diez and added Ci to it to form the numbers from 16 to 19. Likewise, we will remove E from veinte and add I to form the numbers from 21 to 29. Let's learn how the numbers from 21 to 29 are formed. 21 in Spanish is veintiuno, veintiuno. 22 in Spanish is veintidós, veintidós. 23 in Spanish is veintitrés, veintitrés, veintitrés. 24 in Spanish is veinticuatro. 25 in Spanish is veinticinco. 26 is veintiséis. 27 is veintisiete. 28 is veintiocho. 29 is veintinueve. Number 30 in Spanish is treinta, treinta. Now we will add E after treinta and write numbers from 1 to 9 to form the numbers from 31 to 39. Let's learn how it works. In Spanish, we read Y as E. So 31 would be treinta y uno. 1 in Spanish is uno, so it's treinta y uno. 32 in Spanish is treinta y dos. 33 in Spanish is treinta y tres. 34 treinta y cuatro. 35 treinta y cinco. 36 treinta y seis. 37 treinta y siete. 38 treinta y ocho. 39 treinta y nueve. 40 in Spanish is cuarenta, cuarenta. 41 in Spanish is cuarenta y uno. 42 in Spanish is cuarenta y dos. 43 in Spanish is cuarenta y tres. Number 44 in Spanish is cuarenta y cuatro. 45 is cuarenta y cinco. 46 is cuarenta y seis. 47 is cuarenta y siete. 48 is cuarenta y ocho. 49 is cuarenta y nueve. Number 50 in Spanish is cincuenta, cincuenta. Now let's quickly revise the numbers. Cero, uno, dos, tres, cuatro, cinco, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Hope you liked the video. I will be uploading more videos soon, so please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel and also share this video with your friends and family. Thank you.